throws, no throws, hips low.
Now we're listening on Matt Moore, Fagan from Middle Valley, and Morales from Olathe Northwest. On deck on Matt Moore, Hughes from Blue Valley Northwest, and Alston from Garden Edgerton. On deck on Matt Moore.
Yep, go, go, go. Double, double, double. Run your feet, run your feet. Nice job, Carlos. Doing good. Hey, Carlos, hey. You all right? Carlos, you fight inside, get to your double leg. Inside, get to your double. Yep, just pick it up, finish, 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 finish. Carlos, cut him, cut him. Carlos, you got your two, cut him. Carlos, cut him. Build your base up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up.
Keep going.
Carlos, stand up, buddy. Just come up, come up, come up. Nope. Chest down, come up.
Off your knees, make the carry, off your knees, there you go. Hip, right there, hip, dig it. Dig it. Scoop, scoop, scoop.
Stand up, stand up. Short time, Carlos, get out. Carlos, come up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Short time, short time. Come up, come up, come up. No, head up, head up, head up, head up, head up. Head up, don't reach back, head up, head up. Don't reach back, don't reach back, don't reach back. Short time, short time. Okay, Carlos, let's take neutral. Carlos, you're down 4. I want you, if you take him down, cut him, and you have to take him down again, all right? Down 4.